I could literally fall on the floor. So much to do. Overpacker for sure. We are T-minus. We should be on the road within 2 minutes. I made it to Houston. Finally. I'm so tired. When I get back, I'm probably gonna start a list of things I need to do. If I finish this load of laundry and dry it, making my way downtown to the bathroom to grab the bonnet. Boop, 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 boop. Doom, doom. Boop, 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 boop. I'm headed home. I'm tired. Good morning, party people. I ended up staying way longer than I intended. 30. It is 6:43. I've got my carry-on bag. Less than 6 hours out from our leave time. The 4-hour delay to when I should have left. I think we're gonna be late. I am dressed and ready to go. Whenever I know I'm about to like go on a trip, I wear something very distinctive, so if the worst happens, you can really see, you know, a little bit of detail. Pretty good on time. I have 3 minutes before I need to walk out the door. Case is almost packed. I'm about to head to school that I did CNA classes at, to the testing center so I can test for my license, become a CNA, because that is legit what I spent my whole summer doing. 8:30 is when the test begins. So I'm headed there now. Alright, so I have just made it to school. We are here. It's currently 66, which is really nice. So I just have the windows cracked, sunroof open. My best friend in the class, she doesn't study either. The knowledge is drilled in our brains. Like 10 parts of water, 1 part of bleach is the cleaning solution. I found that in my laundry yesterday. I did finish my CNA course. I passed. Actively getting a car wash. Checking one thing off the list. Alright, I just finished a modified version of a car clean out. I'm going to the bank. ATM. I'm headed to my godmom's house. But I just got to my godmom's house. There's a car here, but I don't think she's home. Alright, next errand is another ATM. So much to do. Supposed to leave by 12. Okay, so I just finished at the second ATM. Suitcase. Overpacker for sure. I went to my mom's house. I was just gonna shower, lay down, and let my phone update while I was there, but I did not let my phone update. I did let it back up, but I forgot to hit update because I don't do automatic updates. I'm only gonna stay there 12 to 2. Ended up staying from like 12 to 6:30. I would have woke up and got a lot of this stuff done. We would have been leaving on time because according to the schedule I wanted to keep, we should be on the road within 2 minutes. I have to get gas. I got my suitcase down the steps easier than I thought. Oh, okay. This is a picture of my Uncle Greg and I in Dallas. We stopped there. Good morning. I literally just woke up for the second time. I made it to Houston. I could literally fall on the floor. I drove all the way from Texas to Houston and then Kansas to the border. I'm so tired, man. But it's time to get the suitcase out. Finally, I'm so tired. It's me, in bed editing. I actually live in Texas at this point in my life. Temporarily. Tomorrow's my last day, sadly, but more about that in other videos. I should have known then something was off, but I didn't. I thought I just had finished school, 1, and 2, I had just driven. I think it was 10 hours that I ended up driving. I thought it was just fatigue from that, but it was fatigue from COVID setting in. I hope y'all had a fun summer and have fun vacations because I could literally fall asleep right now. So, along with it being the end of summer, another reason I went to Texas was because it was my little cousin's 2nd birthday. He had it at one of those trampoline park places. So this is known as the waterfall. It is a big attraction to Houston visitors. Me and my aunt just sat and had a really good talk on the grass area there. I'll never forget just some of the wisdom she bestowed upon me. My little cousin's swim lessons. So these are some of my senior pictures. I absolutely hated the way every one of them turned out. These are my three I kind of hate the least. I hated them. At this point I had COVID, but I didn't get a positive test result till August 14th. So these are some pretty pictures of the sky, and eventually on that drive back to Kansas, I received my positive test result from the company which I got the test from. So by this point I could not smell or taste at all, and I did not get my smell or taste back for several weeks.